Hey carpet cleaners, John here, and in this video I'm going to talk about how I'm able to travel the world for free, all thanks to my business, and how you can do the same with your carpet cleaning business too. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I run a company called AGB, or Ads Grow Business, and we specialise in one industry and one industry only, the carpet cleaning industry, and we specialise in one thing only, getting carpet cleaning businesses like yours booked out with jobs on autopilot using our specialist digital marketing program. I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many carpet cleaning businesses as humanly possible, whether that's through this YouTube channel or through working with them one-on-one inside our specialist digital program. So without further ado, let's dive right into the content. So I basically just travelled around Europe for the last 2 weeks. I've been in Amsterdam, I've been in Paris, I've been in Brussels, and the travel on the Eurostar train all through Europe cost me absolutely nothing. I travelled first class. It was absolutely amazing. I know a lot of my viewers, a lot of our clients are in the States. There was a bunch of tourists that we saw from the States as well that were also travelling. This is totally valid, and this isn't just about Europe. You know, what I'm about to tell you can be used for internal flights in the USA, hotels and restaurants and all kinds of stuff. And for a lot of you, this is probably not news. You probably already know about this, and maybe many of you are already doing it. But if you're not doing it and you weren't aware of it, at the very least, let me share it with you right now. So how I'm able to travel for free all over the world and all this cool stuff. The reason I'm able to do that is by putting all of my expenses of my business on my American Express business credit card. Because with American Express, you earn points, okay? And those points can then be exchanged for things like free flights, for free train tickets, for hotels, and all of this stuff. Where a lot of people trip up, where it kind of doesn't make sense, or where people don't really see the benefits, is where people have got personal American Express credit cards, not business ones. Number one, because obviously if you've got a personal one, you can't use it for your business overhead. So with those kind of credit cards, you know, maybe you might make an occasional big purchase or a few purchases, and so it takes you like a long time, months, maybe even years, to accumulate enough points to like get a free train ticket, for example. But if you get a business one and you run all of your expenses through it, I mean, like, you use it for everything. Like, you use it at the gas station to pay for your gas for your carpet cleaning truck. You use it to buy all your carpet cleaning equipment, your truck mount, your chemicals. You use it to pay your team. You use it to pay for your software, your accounting software, your CRM, you know, House Call Pro. You use it to pay your ads. If you've hired us, you use it to pay us. You use it for everything. Every little tiny overhead, all the big overheads and everything in between, you use it for everything. Your American Express card. And effectively, like, if you're using it in your business like that for everything, very, very quickly, you're going to accumulate a lot of points, like a ton of points. And those points can be very, very, very easily redeemed and exchanged for free travel, like I say, airplanes for free, trains for free, hotels, top hotels as well, I might add, restaurants, and all kinds of cool stuff. And because you're using it for everything, like I say, very quickly, you'll accumulate a lot of points and it will make perfect sense. Not only that, like, you get access to like all the private lounges at the hotel, at the airports and stuff like that. And once you've had a little taste of that, it's a very enjoyable experience and very difficult to go back to kind of like normal way of travel. And it's just one of those things, right? Like, you have to pay for all of this stuff in your business. Every business has got overheads. You have to pay for it. So like, why not use something like an American Express card and get free points and maybe get some free travel out of it at the same time? Why not? You'd be foolish not to. There is obviously a fee and it varies. Like, you can get the platinum, which is like the top tier of the American Express card, that costs X dollars or X pounds a month. There's the gold and so on and so forth. And depending on which one you go for, there's obviously different perks and stuff like that. So go and check it out on the website. But if you know you've got overheads, man, you've got to put fuel in the truck, you've got to buy chemicals, you've got to pay your team, you've got software, you've got to pay for your advertising, your Google ads, your Facebook ads, this, that, and the other. Just get an American Express credit card, put everything on that, and then take your wife away for free at the end of the year for a vacation, right? Happy days. Awesome. So I just wanted to kind of drop that little kind of hack, you know, since the last video we were talking about leveraging like credit profit and other people's money instead of your own. This is another great example of that. Keep your money in your business, use your American Express card, generate a load of points and get a bunch of free travel and travel the world for free, first class at the same time. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button down below. And if you would like to find out a little bit more about working with us on a one-on-one basis inside our specialist program, head down to the description as well, where you'll find all the necessary links and information so you can kind of book a call with us. See you on the next video, guys. Peace.